Alrighty, so I did it wrong. My bad. I'm in the master. I'm going to go into 4.2 video notes, part 1. I'm going to edit it. And then instead of putting the video in here, so I'm going to delete this one out where we are supposed to put it. So apparently this is a good place to put videos that you just want kids to watch. But since we want them to do something else with it, you go down to this submission type, and here's where we do external tool. And then here's where you find your video. So if you click on find, weirdly you go to Arc. Studio and Arc are the same thing. And then you will find your videos here. I'm going to go to the 4.2 part 1 video, select that. We want to not allow comments. Even if they comment, we don't get a notification on them, apparently, says Patty. So, and then it's called 4.2 video notes. Cool. You embed that there, and then you just say select. And so then you see it here. So my bad, guys. And then, of course, do all the rest of this stuff that you need to do. And I think that is it. And then, so if you guys will go and like recopy this to your, from the master to your courses and make sure it goes. Maybe this is what Patty and Andy were talking about how sometimes the questions don't go. So let me know if it doesn't go, and then I can send this to you a different way. Okie doke. Sorry about that.